Hi friends, yes, we are leaving tomorrow and my bag is packed and we are really excited. And there we go. Yes, this is my bag. We don't know whether it will rain there. That's the reason I'm catching one umbrella here. And this is a rain jacket, woolen sweater. If one get rinsed, I want to keep some alternatives. So this is my Pia cardigan jacket, and this is a thermal jacket. And this is a cap. This is one more cap. This is a neck scarf, and then I have a band to cover the ears. Of course, my new specs. Let's see, okay. And the other zip, I like this bag very much because here I can keep my personal belongings, and here I can keep my jeans belt, and must and the main, that is mask. We don't know whether we'll be getting the shops like Bangalore, so that's the reason we are keeping in excess. And there, as we are going to the cold place, complete thermal, full sleeves one shirt, one t-shirt, and this is a frock, jumpsuit, thermal wear. And I don't know if there is no cold, if it is going to be a warm weather, I'm keeping some alternatives. One tee, the other t-shirt, and then jeans. And this is for the temple. Salwar, only one salwar I'm carrying. And this is thermal for the ice skating place. Again a thermal wear, one more thermal, and the other thermal wear. And if we have to visit another temple, I'm carrying one t-shirt and a frock. Next, the main thing is my cosmetics. Got a beautiful pouch, and here are my collections. First is comb. I got this pouch as a complimentary gift. This is from Maybelline. Beautiful it is. First, I'll show you. This is a blush and 3 shades of lipstick, lip gloss actually, one lipstick, mascara, eyeliner and kajal. This is a lip gloss. As it is going to be a cold place, I'm going to apply lip gloss first and then apply lipstick. This is a small one which I have bought for this time, because last time during my last travel the Fit Me bottle had opened and it had spilled, so this time I've gone for a smaller one. I don't want to take a chance. One nail color, compact. This is hair clip, one simple pearl neck chain, and my guess watch. One watch I'm keeping it as spare. Next comes the emergency wet tissue. This is my medical kit. Wet tissue, dry tissue, Volini. This is be safe as we are traveling in flight. We don't want to take chance. A soap, sanitizer, moisturizing sanitizer, and cold cream, and of course Vicks and the inhaler. Winding up the medical kit. Keeping them to the corner, and I have added one t-shirt and jeans jacket to twin with my kids, and there I'm done with my packing.